The allergens.
No, I just come in with eye patches.
There we go.
Looking like a pirate, you know, because we got
work.
West Texas dust and Texas Tech dust.
Yeah, it's a double whammy right there.
All right, go ahead.
Absolutely. I mean, it does look a little hazy out there. I mean, of course, yeah, the intern still needs to clean off the camera lens. But, yeah, well, I mean, I've already fired 5, Neil, so I'm starting to become unpopular with the interns. So Tyler right now, it is a little hazy. We've got clear skies outside, and temperature-wise, it's been a warm day despite that boundary moving through. I mean, I have a hard time calling it a cold front because we went from the 80s yesterday to about 74 for a high temperature today, which is still 9 degrees above normal. We're at 70 right now. Winds are south-southwest at about 6 miles per hour. Upper 60s for Sulphur Springs, Mineola. Everybody else in the 70s with the exception of Hempville at 80 degrees right now. Dew points in the 30s. So, folks, it's very, very dry outside. So if you're sensitive to this dry air, this evening is not going to be a great one to venture out outside. However, with the threat of storms both Wednesday and Thursday, we're going to start to see that moisture ramp up again. Low temperature around 50 degrees overnight tonight. We'll start to see those winds more so out of the southwest as we move into tomorrow, and that will drive our temperatures all the way up into the lower 80s once again. But the good news is we'll see plenty of sunshine, so if you have any of that outdoor work to get done, maybe you got to mow the lawn or something since it's been so warm over the last couple of weeks, you're going to be fine if you need to do that. But blowing dust, dry air, folks, we saw it all today. That was because this wind kicked up by the front here really drove that dust in from West Texas, as we were mentioning. But the focus is going to shift. Those winds will shift to the southwest tomorrow. That's going to drive up the Gulf moisture, and because of that, and because it's going to be so warm, the air is going to become unstable for Wednesday. We do have a marginal threat of severe weather. However, when that front approaches on Thursday, that gives us the last element that we need for pretty nasty severe weather to occur. That level 1 marginal risk goes all the way up to an enhanced risk that does encompass all of East Texas for late in the day Thursday. So here's how this is going to happen. First and foremost, don't expect any rain tonight. I don't expect any rain tomorrow. We'll start to see some higher clouds move from south to north as we move into tomorrow evening. This is about 7 o'clock tomorrow evening. We're mostly cloudy to start out Wednesday morning. Perhaps a bubble-up shower or thunderstorm off to our northwest, closer to the DFW area Wednesday morning. But I think our storm chances will come late in the day Wednesday, probably by the middle to late part of the afternoon. That's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. But as you can see, I mean, we just kind of played through the graphic there. We're not seeing widespread rain or anything on Wednesday, but given the atmospheric conditions, we could see 1 or 2 storms misbehave and become strong to severe. Okay, let's get into Thursday now. So I mentioned the front. It's out to our west Thursday afternoon. We're seeing some scattered showers and thunderstorms as we move into Thursday evening. By about 7 o'clock, we're seeing those showers and thunderstorms moving through East Texas, and we can continue to see these storms move off to the east before drier air moves in by 3 o'clock in the morning. So there's still a lot of uncertainties with the timing of these storms, but models are coming to terms with the potential at a widespread severe weather outbreak on Thursday. So you're going to want to stay tuned to any changes in the forecast that will occur between now and Thursday. So about a 40% chance of rain Wednesday. Thursday, that goes all the way up to about 70%. And again, high temperatures in the upper 70s. That adds to the instability in the atmosphere. So warm temperatures is not something we want to see on Thursday, but we will cool off on Friday. A chilly start Saturday morning for anybody running the Fresh 15 in Tyler Saturday afternoon. We'll be at 65 degrees. Deep East Texas, similar deal. Wednesday and Thursday, we're keeping an eye out for those strong to severe thunderstorms, especially Thursday. Neil, Casey?